Yeah, I seen you twerking. Yeah, I seen you twerking.
Huh?
Yeah, I seen you twerking.
Oh, fuck.
What?
This is fireworks.
All right, man. Vlog, man. We in the nature. Say hi to the vlog, man.
Hi.
Yeah, man. We in nature. We thought we should go back to our roots and really discover ourselves. So that's what we doing. We thought we were working hard this college semester, and we just thought like we should just treat ourselves, come back to nature, the thing that God created. Yeah, man. This semester has been tough. Has been very, very tough. My classes has been very, very hard. But I still managed to pass all my courses, so I like to give a pat on my back. I did that. And I know that I'm going to continue to accomplish many things in my life. I know my life will amount to something great. I just gotta keep a positive head on my shoulders and just keep working hard. Keep working on myself. Hey, man, you see the scenery. You see the scenery. Yeah. I just thought I should, vlog today. Yeah, man. That's it. Don't really got too much to say. Yeah, dude.